Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to quickly install WordPress using Soft Aculous in cPanel. This method is beginner-friendly and takes just a few minutes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your cPanel account. You can usually access this through your hosting provider by entering yourdomain.com/cpanel in your browser. Step 2. Once inside cPanel, look for the Soft Aculous Apps Installer icon under the Software section. Click on it to open the Soft Aculous dashboard. Step 3. In the Soft Aculous dashboard, find and click on the WordPress icon. This will take you to the installation page. Step 4. Click on the Install Now button. You'll be prompted to fill in some details for your WordPress site. Step 5. Configure your WordPress installation. Choose Protocol. Select HTTPS if your site has an SSL certificate. Otherwise, choose HTTP. Choose Domain. Pick the domain where you want to install WordPress. Directory, optional. Leave this blank to install WordPress on the root domain, or enter a folder name if you want to install it in a subdirectory. Step 6. Enter your site details. Site name. Enter your website's name. Site description. Add a short description of your site. Admin username and password. Create a secure username and password for logging into WordPress. Admin email. Enter a valid email address for recovery purposes. Step 7. You can select a theme from the available options or skip this step to choose a theme later from your WordPress dashboard. Step 8. Scroll down and click the Install button. The installation process will start and usually takes less than a minute. Step 9. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a success message with your WordPress login URL. Click on it or enter yourdomain.com/wpadmin to log into your WordPress dashboard using the admin credentials you created earlier. That's it for today's tutorial on installing WordPress using Soft Aculous in cPanel. Now your website is live and ready to be customized. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the WordPress dashboard, explore its features, and help you get familiar with the tools to manage your site effectively. See you in the next video.